Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix broken lore unfollow game crashing or not launching, not loading, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, showing black screen error on PC. So let's jump to the solutions. So the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapters. Select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. If not, next method is to run game from the installation folder. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. Now here is the game application, double click on it and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, then you should run the game as administrator. For that, select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, select run this program as an administrator, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working. If not, again come back. Select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it resolves the problem. If the issue still occurs, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings and here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. So if you cannot find the game, no need to worry, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application, add it to the list over here and after adding it, now search for the game. So here is the game application. Make sure both public and private boxes are ticked and then click on OK and after that launch the game and check. If not, next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now in the general, here you have to type -DX11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, again come back, type -DX12 and then try to play the game and see if this resolves the issue. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. You have to wait for some time. Once the game files are verified, now launch the game and check. If not, next is to check graphic settings of the game. So when your graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, anti-aliasing, etc., then it directly impacts the game and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid the unwanted issue. Next solution is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on in-game and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once it is disabled, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay options from here. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadowplay, MSI Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once the link is downloaded, open it and now you will get repair or install option. Whatever you get, click on it and wait for some time. Now once the message you get setup successful, close this and after that restart your PC once your PC restarts. Now launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to change virtual memory settings. So for that, go to the Windows search over here. Now search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced. click on change. Here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. Now once done, launch the game and check. If not, next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates. Now this will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates, and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search over here. Now search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list first. For that, click on add a desktop app, and after that go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and check if it resolves the problem. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall BrokenLore unfollow game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your system. After that, restart your PC once. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and reinstall BrokenLore unfollow game, and then click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix BrokenLore unfollow game. Crashing at startup, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing, showing black screen error on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.